Kids, today we will start chapter 5, learning to use keyboard. So we will learn about keyboard, what are the keys, how we use, which type of device it is. So let's start. So first is keys. That is small buttons on the keyboard are called keys. There are many type of keys. Alphabet keys where written A to Z, symbol keys less than sign, greater than, semicolon, quotes, navigation keys, arrow keys, page up, down, function keys that works with the special function, number keys and special keys, arrow buttons, escape, tab for 5 space, insert, shift, caps lock, delete, print, control key, windows key, alt key, windows key, enter key, space bar key, backspace keys. So let's start with the escape key. Escape key is to cancel or stop any command or action. Why we use the escape key? To stop or cancel. If something is running, then we want to stop it, we use escape key. Tab key to move cursor several spaces forward at once. Almost 5 spaces it enter when you press the tab key. Shift key. It is used to switch between numbers and symbols and capital and small letters. It is used to switch. For example, if you want to press the symbol, then press the buttons with the shift key, so it will press the symbols instead of numbers. Control and alt key. It is used in combination with other keys or special functions. Backspace key, it removes letter left to the cursor. So if it is a cursor, then it will remove the left of the cursor. And delete key removes the character to the right of the cursor. If this is the cursor, then it will remove this letters right of that cursor. Let's start with the exercise. So first question is, the keyboard keys marked with F1 to F2 are called, and they are used for, they are function keys. They are the function keys to perform a special function. To type capital letters, no capital letters, we use shift or caps lock key. What would be the result of the following actions? Turn on caps key, type computer. Turn off caps key, type Olympiad. So if we on the caps lock key, then all the letters will come capital. So answer is B. And when we off the caps lock key, then Olympiad will be typed in the small letters. Next is key when pressed will move the cursor several spaces. So we learn that is tab key. Shift key is used for switch between numbers and symbols. Enter key is for the going through the next row. Caps lock is coming using for the capital the alphabets, and tab key is used for forward several spaces. Identify me. I am one of the keys of the keyboard and placed at the top left corner of the keyboard. I allow you to cancel an operation or task. Top left corner, which is the button. If this is the keyboard, then here it is this key, and it is used to cancel the operation. So delete is used for the remove the character in the right. Backspace is used to the remove the character in the left. Escape key is used for the cancel the task. Numlock is used for use the numeric keypad. Which of the following words can be formed using the given set of keys? So answer is we have the shift and enter. So answer is both and A and B, because we have the enter, ENTER, and shift SHIFT, shift. So both A and B we can make. Which of the following keys works only when with alphabet keys and doesn't work with rest of the keys? Delete, escape, enter, and caps lock. Which of the following key work only with the alphabet key? So caps lock is used only for and alphabet, only with the alphabet. Select the keys that can be considered as a toggle keys. Toggle when switch between. So caps lock is for the toggle the alphabets, and numlock is for numeric keyboard. So both a first and second are used for toggle key. Tab key is used for the um tab key is used for the give the space with the several spaces. Select the incorrect match. Numlock to turn on and off the numeric keypad, yes. Shift key to type symbols that appear along with number keys, yes. Windows key to draw rectangular shape, no. Tab key to move cursor several spaces at once. So this window key is not for the draw the rectangular shape. Renu wants to move around in a document without using the mouse. Help by her by suggesting the correct keys. For move around without using mouse, we can use which keys? Up and down keys, arrow keys. So cursor control keys, function key, number keys, alphabet key. So cursor controls we can do with the arrow keys. Is the longest key of a keyboard and used to move cursor to the new line. Shift is the longest key, no. Space bar is longest key, yes. And move cursor to the new line, we use enter key, not the delete key. So answer is B. Select the correct match. Assume that caps lock is on. So what will happen, kids? Shift plus T. If caps lock is on already, then shift plus T is right. T, yes. If shift caps lock is on, then 7 and slash @ and K is written. So C is not the answer because K will write, not 2. Shift plus T if we write, then it will write small t because caps lock is on, and caps lock is on, we will write 7 and slash. Select the correct statement about the key shown in the image. It removes letters from the left of the cursor. It removes letter from the right of the cursor. This is used for backspace. Right is used for the delete button we use for it. It is used to switch between numbers and symbols as well as capital and small letters, yes. It cancelled any action, no. We uses escape key for it. Select the odd one out regarding spatial keys. Control key, shift key, A and Alt. So which one is used for regarding spatial keys? Control, shift and alt are spatial key, but A is the alphabet key, so it is not the spatial key. To type uppercase letter when caps lock key is off, you should press tab key before typing any letter. Press and hold shift key while typing letter. To type uppercase letter when caps lock key is off, we use press and hold shift key while typing letter. So answer is B. What is shown in the given image? This is numeric keys. So 15th answer is C. Thank you kids. Follow and share for the next chapter and revise this. Bye bye.